Happy Sunday, my beloved brothers and sisters of Amazonia and worldwide. Greetings from Colonel Arthur John and the Amazonia Police. Story today be too much, and based on which way Colonel Arthur John will talk, I'd ever talk without evidence. Una need to believe me. But today, anything I could talk, I could show evidence for una see. Share as you listen. Just click the share button, share and meet people, and they join me. Because today I could talk anything I talk about, the show evidence, and then they look no man face. Anything I talk about today, I the show evidence for anything. I don't ever talk today, the cry since the revolution start. Colonel Arthur John on the cry every day. Say Milan Atem, Ayaba, Milan Atem, Ayaba. I talk about those two guys morning, afternoon, evening, morning, afternoon, evening, morning, afternoon, evening. Who not believe me? Today, I want to disprove everything for Unamuna Siam today. Because I ever talk sometimes, they say, black mice and then they inside. Say, black mice and then they inside IG. Where some people need the black mice people then. Una need to believe them. Today, I could show the black mice. I could show them. I ever promise Una say, I get more than 170 screenshots and evidence for black mice inside IG. I could show them all today, Muna Siam. I will show them today, although some be too sensitive way if I show them, if he make the public get advantage over we, I will show you, Muna understand them. So now wait till I give a talk today. Click the share button, the share and meet people then join me and mash fire. Because today I need to look no man in face, no man in face, no they want to look am. I need to look no man in face, no one person in face. If you my friend, you better block me. If you be my woman, oh, you block me. If you be my relative, oh, you block me. Problem no day. The revolution, now for Amazonians. No be for make friendship, no be for make partnership or wait, whatsoever thing. Any man way they listen, invite these people. Milan Atem, Noloa, Ayaba, Capo Daniel, Mark Barta, Gillian Eshu. Invite all them. Terry Apopo, Lenjo Kingsley. Invite all them. Because all the things I gave talk about today, I gave disprove all their lies today for the revolution. And then look in my face. Share as you listen. When I just click the share button, share them. Me other people then they join. Before I share, me see what will happen today. Because all the things they ever do, man. Today not today. Today not today. Today, click the share button, you just share. Let other people join us. Click the share button. You just share, let other people join us. And when we see everything, whatever cause of people, they say black milers. When we call Kosh Colonel Arthur John, when anytime I talk to some person that's scammer, when I cosh me, when I talk to somebody in a Republic agent, when I cosh me, when I talk anything, when I cosh me. Today, when I go see all the Republic agents, all the black miners them today for the revolution. Then they look any man in face today. So click the share button, you share them. Me other people then they join me. Click the share button, you share them. Me other people then they join me. Una could hear all things today. We una want hear them. Click the share button, you just share. Me other people then they join me. Me open people they no go begin to listen that nonsense where Capo Daniel. The talker you know they show any evidence. You only use that long sense the cover agency. No. Today we not go see evidence where Colonel Arthur John the table. Black miners they will fake people they will all sabotaging messages there. I could sample some evidence. Muna see today. Click the share button, share. Me other people they join me. Muna see. Ma start, man, no begin waste time safe. Other people, they will come listen after. They go come listen after. I will start today with these people, they won't see have a list. With these 6 people, then. With these 6 people, they won't see have a list. No one person know the way be bigger than this revolution. No person know the way be bigger than this revolution. So I start with the 6 people name. The 6 people name, I start with them. So no one person know the way big pass them. Click the share button, share them. Me other people then join. Now nobody listen that stupidness from Capo Daniel.
Marketing is one of the highest performing marketing.
Now they listen all that stupidness. Capo Daniel they talk without evidence. Una comes take una eye they talk Christmas Day today. Una invite Gillian Eshu. Me she listen what say consent. Ha Milan invite Terry Apopo. All them. Una invite all them. Me they listen. Me they more listen up. Because today be Torostros. All black milers, they will go know them today. When I call them, say some pona scammer. Una need the belief. See, we'll call Milan scammer. Una no belief. We call Ayaba scammer. Una go see them today. Una go see all today. Una go see all. Just click the share button. I don't tell them. Oh, una ever coach Colonel Atajon say, na la Republic agent. Na la Republic agent. Una don't start believe am no. Una don't start believe when say Colonel Atajon and South Cameroon police be the talk. Since when the revolution starts. We ever talk cry say Milan Ayaba una need believe am. Ma start. I will take a small and I will show evidence for any step. When I reach any step, I could table evidence. When I reach any level, I table evidence. When I reach any level, now my other phone this. Now in that, for table evidence with them. So now no worry. No worry about any matter. No worry about any matter. We now could see all evidence then today. All the thief thing there when they the revolution. Come with thief for revolution. Say they come for Amazonia. Yeah. Just click the share button. Me the share and me more people enjoy. Ma start. Me start. Enough is enough for scammers. Enough is enough Ayaba and Milan and gangs. Enough is enough. They must go. We must know who they are today. We must know. Me start with Milan Atem. Milan Atem. Now the first person I start with them. All Amazonians who not believe when Colonel Atajon and the Amazonia police we will post information. The talk say Milan Atem na Moli inside the IG. Oh, una they abuse Colonel Atajon. Some people they IG people and they come abuse Colonel Atajon. People they let Terry Apopo, Gillian Eshu, Lenjo Kingsley. Or then they coach Colonel Atajon. Coach Colonel Atajon. Coach him. Now, Milan Atem don't make all Unamuna understand say Colonel Atajon and South Cameroon police be they ever talk na true. And based on the fact say Milan Atem don't actually make a with the formation of the fake group where Milan Atem don't form me Colonel Atajon starts to talk about the Milan before you could go for the next. Because Milan now, if you now look the star then be Milan get now 1 star over front. 1 star over back. It means say the guy na double impact. Milan na double impact. Where if he get 2 stars over front and back, he own worse na worse. So more wait. Me to restart. Me to restart now. Yes. I want to make clearly for all Amazonians, they say, Milan Atem, his first mission for this revolution, now to convince all those inside the IG communication department to be under him. That was Milan Atem's first mission. I, Colonel Atajon, I come live. I debunk this move. I talk say I call on the SCBC to stand up and stop doing fake things. Amazonians and the coach Colonel Atajon say he talk about SCBC because SCBC in a national station. And these people they go communication department where they do all this fake transaction with Milan Atem. They be dinner Gillian Eshu, Raymond, Derek, Lenjo Kingsley, Terry Apopo, Just to name a few of them. Now, them that way they do all these fake transactions them with the communication department. So, as we Milan Atem don't try now so for vagash the communication department could blow false informations for Amazonians. And based on the fact say Milan Atem do use these strategies, Milan Atem here and the communication department, they start getting right black mice them for beloved Amazonians them, the true activists them where they fight for freedom, for their freedom. Milan Atem, the first black mile where they compose him, Colonel Atajon give a deaf ear for that. They compose number 2, we give deaf ear for that, call him back, see me they adjust. They no adjust. Based on the fact say Milan Atem, he and communication department, they frame black mile for sabotage John Ba Aguru and Partase Refred, me Colonel Atajon, it table one of the evidence. Muna Siam say, he never ever talk the lie, Muna Siam. Me a table one of the evidence. Shine your eyes because the evidence will not be for long. Because La Republic, the listen way to Colonel Atajon, the talker. Because they are very, very sensitive information. Very, very sensitive information. So, shine your eyes while I'm looking for the evidence to table it. So that Munasiam, and it will be from a well-known activist in this revolution who claims she is working for our revolution, but she is there for her personal purpose. She is not interested in the revolution, only interested in power mongering. And she is from UK. She is from the Southern Zone, and why she is based in UK. Colonel Atajon is trying to check the evidence with a other phone. Had tried never check him. Una go see the black mile because I no go pamper me. And then the looky face. And then the fear. The show power say he want sue Colonel Atajon for frighten Colonel Atajon. Man, no ever show the evidence. I go show one sample of the evidence before I continue. Muna Siam and una go see where it is sent John Ba Aguru. The information, una go see where it is sent John Ba Aguru. The picture, send me the sabotage John Ba Aguru. Milan Atem, his gang. Milan Atem, his gang. The person call me for midnight. I will start by showing you people the call on midnight. Now wait till the way I talk am. Una Siam. Una look very clean and clear. I ever talk say I get evidence. I get up. Una look, they call Colonel Atajon midnight. While they was sleep. They call me, say, me, ma wake up. Now the black man is this way, they don't type am for communication department. For communication department. Now the black man that. Una read the black man. No be John Ba Aguru. This black man was being forwarded to Colonel Atajon by Gillian Eshu, Aka Gilly. Now the first black man that the first step that I want to disprove owner. When I see sender, when I send message in the blue, when he send, he could come now for white background. Just give me look. I want to show everything Muna Siam. Now other part this the message. Any man will be interested, contact Colonel Atajon, I go provide una the information and then they look their face. Muna Siam today because today be terrestrials. Muna see John Ba Aguru picture where he send John Ba Aguru picture. Semi Colonel Atajon he attack John Ba Aguru because John Ba Aguru. Una de see am. Una de see what Gillian Eshu di do am no. Una see am. Una don't see am no. He is journalist. He send John Ba Aguru picture. Una see am no. When I ever tell una say 170 messages and what if you disprove any person with them. Una they take me like joke. Una they take Amazonia police like joke. But today, I did show more than that. Even the black mice them from them. Terry Apopoi on the day. Then they where he send them. Lejo Kingsley on the day where he send them Colonel Atajon. Where he send them who attack John Ba Aguru, who attack Partase Refred, who attack others them. He go to disprove all these black milers them. Today, not today. Colonel Atajon should not be able to talk about the matter. Because we not ever believe Colonel Atajon when I call Milan Atem a molly. una argue me. Una no say even no lower. He don't text Colonel Atajon, try to camouflage Colonel Atajon. I get all the text them from my phone. I get all. Even they like they block me, I could so get the text them because I save them already for screenshot and it can show, no problem. Click the share button, you share out, I vagash all these ransacking people them. Thieves who came in our revolution to damage the revolution. When I talk something, we will not really believe them. Colonel Atajon, no the lie. Amazonia police, no the lie. We did the revolution, no before make money. We never ever do GoFundMe. We be out for the truth and the truth. Gillian Issue and Communications Department, they come text Colonel Atajon, say John Ba Ajuruna Batman. No lower. He also takes Colonel Atajon, say John Ba Ajuruna Batman. He do bad parts in the Partas and Wilfred. Say who sabotage Partas and Wilfred. We deny go do one. When I talk last time, when I talk say Colonel Atajon only like for coach woman name. Mona coach me again. I want to see them coach them. I want to see them insult them. Wanna insult me now for comment. After I don't disprove the first sample. Wanna coach me. Since I want to show so I know all about talk. When I talk, I know show evidence. I live up right time. I vagash everything. Now what they ever talk when I ever take leg na joke for the revolution. Milan Atem and all associated with Milan Atem as listed on this list. Except the last two who are not associated with Milan Atem directly. Nazi people them. They be out for the revolution, for sabotage, for blackmail, for steal, for enrich themselves, for look for power mongering. When now the Russians say power know the show, they will go create fake group. Start the user now for the attack the IG them. Now they don't start lie say Milan Atem be cooperate with the investigation. All na lie. Una listen way to a Colonel Atajon, the talk. Those that have ears, let them hear. Those that don't have ears, let them stay. Let them stay. Me, I bagash everything today for una. Una know the truth and the truth and the truth about which way you don't pass for a long time. Una the only coach Colonel Atajon, the coach. No know the actual truth way they happen. When I say Teria Popo, na scammer, na Tifman, na power moga, Milan Atem, na scammer, na Tifman, na power moga, Gillian Issue, na Tif woman, na power moga, na kwasa woman. Una di argue me. She will come make noise say Colonel Atajon, he be disabled, he do this, do that, because he try to camouflage Colonel Atajon. Man, no expose way to her, no expose her today for una. My brother, my sisters, them. I tell una something about leaders them. What will happen for Nara Hotel? Use common sense in your head. 1. Milan Atem be the work with IG. 2. No lower be the work with IG. 3. Dr. Ojong be the work with IG. 4. Ayaba. 4. Wait. Una wait small so. 4. Ayaba. Wait. 4. Ayaba. He do work with IG na back. He do work with Milan Atem. Back. Turu Padia Sanga. When I talk so, una be Thomas de so, una need to believe. Mimi a show una. Padia Sanga they call me midnight. My show una say evidence number 2. Evidence number 2 from disproving there say Ayaba the work here Milan Atem. Back. 2 Padia Sanga for camouflage people the way they be against it. For push stealing. Push many evil things in our revolution. Mimi a show now the next evidence. Padi Asanga, the work here Milan Atem. Where all we know say Padi Asanga na Black Lake La Republic agent. Padi Asanga they call me for midnight. They call me for WhatsApp for midnight. Say me and he go collect bribe from La Republic. Say we go collect bribe from La Republic Embassy for Benin. See, but Ate Padia Sanga say no, I no be interested for blood money. Padia Sanga vex. He vex with me. He vex with me, oh, start to cost me. When I talk, una be Thomas, oh. Thomas, the una begin to see. Why they talk so tifona? Una de make idea, say, me, I don't know God. Like say, I just been a liar, or I come the revolution for begin to lie Amazonians them. Now, Padia Sanga that. Calling. Say, we go collect bribe. Say, he tell me, say, it is so truly in work here. Milan Atem and Ayaba. It is so, we go collect 3,000 euros for La Republic Embassy. At now, he say, I know the one go take bribe for any place. When I look the WhatsApp message, I show now. Muna see another because that one would look like screenshot. Muna begin to confuse and think saying I just empty screenshot where Colonel Atajon. Anyway, when I Thomas the revolution, read what way Colonel Atajon respond Padia Sanga. Read what Colonel Atajon respond to Padia Sanga. Una the receive more, and we just show all them because others they implicate the revolution to La Republic. So now wait now who that see am? What they talk am? Thomas they never ever believe Colonel Atajon. Una they take una eye they see am. When I talk say Padia Sanga the work here Milan Atem and Ayaba, una they argue me. Padia Sanga the work here Kenji, where they stay for inside Ayaba house right now. Padia Sanga the work here. Padia Sanga the work here. Kenji, come on la Jemin, here Padia Sanga that good friends they belong. Padia Sanga they do all fake things they collect money in the young Kenji who Padia we Ayaba them. They share them. So Padia Sanga, Ayaba, Milan Atem, they be out now for federation. They not be interested for revolution. They are not interested in our revolution. This is why Colonel Atajon include Ayaba for this like Milan Atem gang. Una look how a star Ayaba in name. One star in front and one star behind. Just same like a star Milan Atem own. One star behind, one star in front. Because these are the frontline thieves who came in our revolution to steal and destroy. Who came in our revolution to do bed by bed and rape our girls. That is what they are doing. Raping married women, carrying married women for vacation in somewhere in Africa. That is what they are doing. Milan Atem and Ayaba. Now wait till that they walk that way they do revolution. Una never ever hear this thing they want to talk about. Una. One talk something, I get evidence. If they take me go for any court, even have international criminal court, I will table my evidence. For all we say they come up from my mob. Share as you listen. Let other people join and get what Colonel Atajon is saying about these thieves who came in our revolution to steal and destroy the revolution. We will not leave them to steal and damage our revolution. Milan Atem and Ayaba, we need to put them in 6 feet as fast as possible in order to push our revolution ahead. I clarify when I'm using common sense. Why I insist on this back belly people them. Milan Atem was part of IG. Nolowa was part of IG. Dr. Ojong was part of IG. Mangang was part of IG. Ayaba was part of IG via Padia Sanga via Milan Atem. So then they communicate back. So now it's that way they did one. Since as they do all these things, so they do this back thing them, where they do the back thing them, Milan Atem, you'll be one of the leader for selling out President Ayuk Sisiko, Pa Tasen Rifet, Pa Fongala, all of them. You say the Milan Atem, you and Ayaba will not take highest commission for the DO, will not say that leaders them today. Now the highest thing that will not lack for understand them. My brother, my sisters, them Freedom Benji partake for represent Ayaba for say the leaders them. Milan Atem, Turun Nolowa, Dr. Ojong and Manga, they plan the deal. me clarify una about Ayaba own. Ayaba, since they arrested of our leaders, the first person who spoke about our leaders say he could be willing to partake into the investigation of our leaders being arrested, being picked up by Nigeria and La Republic, was Milan Atem. Was a doctor, Kumba Doctor Ayaba. Kumba Doctor Ayaba was the first person who spoke. Kumba Doctor Ayaba, he words were this. Ayaba talk say he could be willing to partake and help the investigation for our leaders, them for the mess up for leaders, them for Nara Hotel. So he could be willing to partake and do anything. Say himself, Ayaba, be present for that meeting where they get up for Nara Hotel. Now wait that way Ayaba be talking for video. Any man will be listening and a child of God, despite the group you belong to, you can confirm this. Now Ayaba watch, then that way Ayaba be talking. Ayaba be open him up, talk this same get for be present for that meeting for Nigeria. Ayaba takes Colonel Atta John to say, he's surprised, say President Ayuk Sisiko, he put his defense in government without consulting him. Also, Ayaba talk this thing for Colonel Atta John. Lie no day. All Amazonia police then they get evidence today. And I want to show that one because it is too sensitive. And somebody pictured it for the discussion in here Ayaba Hola. So I don't want to expose that one. But Muna, believe me, when the time reach, I can show him. When it is the right time, I can show everything. I don't go look any my face. I know they look any my face where he concern Vagashin Eddie Blackleg who came in this revolution for thief. I don't care where to own the right time come and say my voice dua. Yeah, wait to what he talk am. No begin to concentrate for my face or my voice. So just forget about my face or my voice. Listen wait to the talk am and you see my evidence before you talk. Ayaba, all in the way they do of the revolution. Now only palava power mongering, palava stealing, palava fornicating, palava doing bed by bed. When I talk so, fighting for sharing money. Remember, Ko-An was once an executive of AGC. Ko-An number party person, despite she is now a federalist. Number party person, we shared sensitive information before. So, I get all evidence for all the things from Ko-An with Ayaba, their chat. So, that is it. Evidence then day and what is show him. Ko-An made it say Ayaba. Me Ayaba go find it for Brussels. He could do it for nothing. So, Ayaba de so, the fight seeker money for pay bills them with them. Why be say Milan Atem? Una don't even ask una say why be say Milan Atem in the work? Why be say Ayaba in the work? Who said they take money the chop? Una remember something again. Another thing I will tell una be say one person where I no ever suspect him for the matter for Nara Hotel. I'm not supposed to involve Ayaba with him, but Ayaba and his communication with Pazia Sanga and Jiken, for no way they know him now, can testify to us say Ayaba and Milan Atem, na can't be them. Na can't be them. Person where I know go involve himself in this matter, na Dr. Ebenezer. You like how you argue me. If you argue me, no, argue with your assessors. Or you come talk crap there. Ayaba and Milan now come with them. They did the revolution now go thief. Just continue sharing. Me other people then hear the truth from Colonel Atta John. Where they talk this so una they take a like joke. Una they take the thing like joke for the revolution. My brother, my sisters them. We need to work for get money for the revolution. We be out for expose the truth. Me Amazonians then they get the truth and the honest deal into it. Una remember one thing. Nolowa. When Nolowa begin as secretary for Patterson Wilfred under the leadership of Patterson Wilfred for revolution, Milan Atem try always go chat Nolowa. Go chat Nolowa. Do bed by bed with him. When you do bed by bed with him, he confused Barrister Nolowa head. Una go argue me say they no do bed by bed. I get evidence say they do bet by bet. No come argue me. No come argue me. It confused Nolowa. Nolowa now start get problem here partner say refit. It start get now problem here partner say refit. As when Nolowa start get problem here partner say refit now, they start getting the sabotage. Partner say refit in him. Until when Milan Aten go thief money inside paper, direct the money for a personal bank account. As when Milan Aten thief that money, President Ayuk Sisiko, no one time who just give the sabotage thing them. President Ayuk Sisiko try to handle the things them for the right way back. Now why they President Ayuk Sisiko just camouflage Amazonias? But we be know say the truth, and the truth was that Milan Atem stole the money in paper. Milan Atem thief the money for paper. Now the truth that way be there. So Muna no begin the drag the matter and have a drag because Milan Atem actually thief the money. He actually thief money in Atiba for the Taiwan partner said no believe partner send information when we talk about the paper. Then we can believe now Ayaba. Ayaba was the thief. Ayaba is the thief. So now the matter that what they talk about, Ayaba now thief man. He and Milan, they share that money for paper, they chop them. Them both chop them. Milan, Ayaba, we need to put them for 6 feet. Milan and Ayaba, we need to put them for 6 feet. Barrister Nolowa, no matter you come on Gata, you don't stay quiet. You are also very evil and demonic. Nolowa, you are evil and demonic. Dr. Ojong, you been a godfather for Satan. You been a godfather for Satan. Godfather for Satan. Who not get for tell we play, who not get for bring we will leaders them. If Milan no bring who leader, Barrister Nolowa no bring who leader. Ayaba no bring who leader. All that fucking shit investigation way. Capo Daniel the worker do am. The publish am every morning. Now ransacked information. Milan Atem, Nolowa, Dr. Ojong, I repeat. Ayaba, they must bring who leaders them. No ask who leaders them from Dr. Ebenezer. No ask them. Dr. Ebenezer make it clean and clearly say he will never be part of the IG. He make and clean and clearly say he no go ever be part of IG from the start. But Ayaba be part back through Padia Sanga, through Jiken, through Milan Atem. So nothing, na so it be the work. Na so it be the work. That the truth, the what it tell una. So fool they will come, they not believe. No believe what how they talk about. I don't talk with evidence. I don't sample evidence. Who una they ever ask me. I don't sample the evidence. Una take una eye they see am today. Una don't take una eye they see am today. Me I go again for next evidence. Next evidence. I go disprove everything. Me I go for next evidence about Ayaba. For table una say Ayaba, the work for La Republique. Ma table and for una munasiam. After proper investigation by Honorable Colonel Atajon through a sensitive approach. Colonel Atajon studied the profile by name Yamafoka. Colonel Atajon studied the name by profile Yamafoka. The profile Yamafoka is being used by Ayaba. Ayaba is using the profile Yamafoka. Wait for evidence. No just make Babab say once tonight. No make Babab say once tonight. Just click now the share button, share them. Colonel Atajon give us one. Now in that. Look, Colonel Atajon in mind. Look at my tell una how I catch him. Just look him. I look go detail into it. Una just see him now. See wait the APFD. Wait. Ma go down for explanation. I show una how way. I want show una say all the people the way the worker members say they be frontline leaders. When they are scammers, they are thieves. We catch them one by one. I was disprove am for una say Ayaba dey use Yamafoka and I show una Ayaba he comment. I don't trace Ayaba he profile. I don't trace Ayaba he old profile where he claims say they don't hack him. I trace the profile. I catch the IP where you operate for the profile. After some moment, I provoke Ayaba for WhatsApp. As I provoke Ayaba for WhatsApp, Ayaba block Colonel Atajon. As well Ayaba block Colonel Atajon with Mimia show na the message. Ayaba block Colonel Atajon immediately for WhatsApp. As well Ayaba block Colonel Atajon after I don't catch Ayaba IP. After I don't catch Ayaba IP address, I trace now the IP address for Yamafoka. As well trace the IP for address for Yamafoka, I catch very person. The same person is using Yamafoka. Ma show na muna siam. The Thomas they were in the revolution where they only be for the now begin make bap 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 bap. They don't know where Colonel Atajon be. Wait. Ma show na how I catch Ayaba say na he use that profile say Yamafoka. Ma show am for una muna siam. Ma show and I tell una why. Una see na Ayaba he WhatsApp that. I go show you number. I go show you number. Any man we know Ayaba number. Me no talk say save some fake name. Sika Ayaba. Me no talk say save na fake name. Me a click and show na Ayaba number. I want click and show Ayaba number. Me no man no begin argue me. Na Ayaba number that right. Na Ayaba phone number that no. Na Ayaba phone number that no. Any man we get Ayaba phone number me confirm. Na Ayaba phone number that no. Colonel Atajon. I don't start investigate, study Ayaba, find them since with me and Co and the work for catch Ayaba all tactics. As well catch Ayaba IP address, I catch Yamafoka own also. As well catch Yamafoka where he look in the coach Colonel Atajon and others them. I catch them. As well catch Ayaba now, Ayaba now, he gonna go make posts, make some comments. For the it's that catch Amazonians, they say he can report Amazonians, they will Libya for police. It means this if Ayaba if open him up talk say he can report Amazonians, they will police. It means Ayaba you walk Yalla Republic clean and clearly. No matter the drag about this, a flashmark on our brain, we not get them. Cause people the way they be dormant, they don't know where to say the past, the revolution, me a vagash everything. Una see the comment, look the comment Yamafoka. Who commented was Ayaba. As we Ayaba comment here so, Colonel Atajon provoke so that me insult. As soon as you are insulting Colonel Atajon at the monitor your IP, the same IP will catch Ayaba for a real profile with them. I catch Yamafoka with on that same profile. I catch Yamafoka on that the same profile. I the talk number true for day. And then the lie. Amazonians. I the tell una tell them. I the set them so. They the 4 chuki. I set them the 4 chuki. Me a show na report for IP. Me a show na report for IP. Muna siam. Because when they ever talk something so una the say the revolution not child play. When I talk say we need ICT for vagash all the people them. We not try to believe Amazonians police them. Because we not be out for the revolution for make child play. We are not interested in any child or ransacking play. Now wait till they talk am. Ma look at show na mona see my inbox. Mona see my inbox. Now my inbox is in my way to use Samsung. If it determined say that na my inbox is. I set them. Ayaba they just do all that transaction them. He IP the report from my email. When I look up all the messages the way they come from my email, they go and say this has report. Una di see am no? Una don't see am no? When Colonel Atajon talk say Ayaba na he use Yamafoka, una need belief. Una wake up to compare with Colonel Atajon. Una compare with Colonel Atajon. You go to school, go do security. Me, I no go school, go do na security. But Russia specialists, they don't teach me. Russian specialists, they don't teach me how to do proper investigation about any ransacked person. That is it. That is how I caught Ayaba using Yamafoka red-handed. So now the thing that we did, Ayaba, they use Yamafoka. Talk say one report Amazonia as the La Republic Police. What is the meaning of that? Ayaba is being sponsored by La Republic. Ayaba is eating in same plate with La Republic. You know the thing that what they don't do. When I talk something, I catch Ayaba and I catch a red-handed, and then they just talk, make me a drink water. Share them before I continue. Una share and share. Me people they need listen. Una go see what the dog do today. Una go understand the quote for the revolution. Say no child play. Share. Keep sharing. Margin water. Share them. Move continue. Look at my brother and my sisters them. Just kick the share button, keep sharing. When you catch person where you operate for WhatsApp, where you don't catch her with security, get his same IP address. Again, you set them again, you insult it, you use strategy, you insult it for comment. When you insult it for comment for under Yamafoka, only thing if you write them, then I say IG coward. IG coward, IG coward, IG coward. Now wait till I write them. As when you write them, the IP, it come again for Colonel Atajohn inbox. As when it come for Colonel Atajohn inbox, Colonel Atajohn compare both IP. Both IP, they give me same IP. Same IP meaning Ayaba is operating both profiles. Ayaba is operating both profiles. Ayaba is working for La Republic. The blind fools, they no go school. Where they no go school, they don't know how to study things. I, Colonel Atajohn, I the call on this person, Grace, that member for AGC. She did for US. She did in Washington DC. She do ICT for school. Me, she confirm for me, say 2 IP, say one and same IP port. If it determine say somebody operate same profile with this location, then you know be not the person. When I table something swear, we not understand the code in my investigation. Colonel Atajohn need the joke. Amazonia police no be child play. We need to make play. We need to make any joke for the revolution. We no be interested for scamming. We never ever take money for any Amazonia chopper for the revolution. We are self-sponsor. When we catch Ayaba when active man, we expose him. Click the share button. No be that fake investigation where Capo Daniel, the workers sabotage people they would have. Say they do this, do that. When I insult somebody, is a scammer. The person no say I get evidence. No say we get evidence. Amazonia police. Either we don't catch their communications them between them two, or we don't catch their wiretaps, phone calls within them. We don't catch them. You get to know the one very, very well. I don't ask Milan Atem. Say Milan Atem. Bring back the phone number when you were going to Nigeria during the Naira meeting. Bring back the phone number. Put it in a phone if you know that you are guilty and you have nothing to do inside this investigation for Naira Hotel. Milan Atem, he hide the phone. He moved the SIM card to phone. Milan Atem moved that SIM card to phone because you don't want to move catch the wiretaps. I want just post the wiretaps for line. Muna Siam Amazonians, they say, people they the joke na joke. Say fire then they. Fire then they. So now the thing that we they do. So what they talk so I don't care where people they can coach me for talk. You coach me or not. Colonel Atajohn the Mashaya. Boya is real. Scammers must be exposed. Thieves, fornicators, must be exposed. Black legs, we must put them in 6 feet. We must put all of them in 6 feet. Now it's the way Colonel Arthur John the talker. When I talk so, Mona the see and the say the joke na joke. Who had the joke na joke for the revolution? I don't disprove now. More evidence today. Some of the evidence they are penning. Believe me, Colonel Arthur John get black mice. So many black mice from Terry Apopo, Gillian Eshu, Ayaba's gang, Pascal Kikidem. I get black mice them from them. Abu Free, Mom see them. All them, I get their black mice them. I get them. I get them. I get their black mice them all. I get them and they make ba. But when I talk something here, now fact we give day. Now fact we give day. Una don't say the fucking shit where Milan Atem go create and say SCCOP and AGC. My brother, my sister say Milan Atem is aware. He say any group be formed now, no go get population. Milan Atem formed this group in order to use strategies and be collecting money from La Republic. Milan Atem, this is group, na political group, where he form up. For the you says he collect money from La Republic. So, my brother and my sisters, them, believing Milan Atem and his group at their own risks. When Dr. Sako, he talked yesterday about Milan Atem. Milan Atem, are supposed to counter these very things with the immediate effect. But I apologize to Amazonians them. Say I no be doing because I no be feel fine. I come to hospital yesterday. So I no be feel fine. Now why they were trying that today? But because the revolution different my skin, I keep my medicine this morning for aside. For vagash this story. We no give a lift the matter. For lift the matter me continue. Because if we no expose them, say Muna no say SCCOP and AGC, they are being sponsored by La Republic. Unako take una eye them for who they go arrest una. Milan Atem try all way for be president for the IG. You know waka. Milan Atem thief money for IG. You know waka. Dr. Ayuk, President Ayuk, Sisiko, he make a government, he no give Milan post, Milan the waka vex. Milan the waka vex, they just put Milan like me hang the background. Milan Atem be one for being the president. Me all man the yena fi. Me all man the yena fi. So Milan Atem, though we can go from the thief group, AGC. Now, Milan Atem, they work to get together with Cecilia B. Amabo, Pascal Kiki, Roland, Julius Cho. Una listen to the stupid interview for Capo Daniel. For Capo Daniel here and the vice chairman for AGC. Today, una listen them. Una listen them now. Una listen the Rashakin scamming. Una listen them now. The Rashakin thing. Tell what comment today. Capo Daniel block me. Because Capo Daniel know say I could expose, I could leak the truth. Capo Daniel block me. Capo Daniel, if you the chop mommy cocoa in this crash you, why you gave a block Colonel Arthur John? Did I insult you? No. The only thing I said was that Capo Daniel try to do proper investigation rather than doing a flashback investigation. Now my comment they want comment every day. They are still laughing have a laugh. Iduam. Capo Daniel, no begin the pretense before AGC, before SYL, you this. No! Capo Daniel, you are working for AGC. Stop your ransacking things. Stop them, Capo Daniel. Stop them. Stop them. May I take this opportunity and sample one message for Mark Barata. Mark Barata, if you not disassociate yourself with Ayaba, believe us, Amazonians are not stupid. We will not give you our hard-earned income. Because all that in the way you do so, that strategies they take money. For take money, give for AGC. All the money where you talk to take up for Sunday school offering. May I ask you something? You don't ever give the money for IG? No, you never do them. All the way you do them. Last time you talk with video, wait to talk. Say now only AGC they do something on ground zero. Wait till AGC they do them for ground zero. forgot give credit for other people their actions. AGC they do that so. AGC got give credit for other people their actions. They recover contain me ransack things Mark Barata. Say then do this, do that, do this, do that. Now which cannot in this. Mark Barata, stand up and grow up, my brother. Stop pretending to do ransack things. No matter whatsoever thing. Mark Barata, adjust your steps. Adjust your step. I, Colonel Atajon and Amazonia Police, we don't look at any face when it concerns Vagashing. Now, we are calling on Edwin Ababa. You don't see the evidence today where they ever ask me, may I show the evidence? And they ever don't quiet. You don't see him today, no? You don't see him today, Edwin. You don't see the evidence. You don't see the evidence today, no? You don't see him today, no? You don't see him, no, Edwin. I sample this because Edwin never see him. Because when Edwin never ask me, say, man, show the black mice the way Gillian H would ever do him. I don't show him today, no? You don't see only one. The other part, then, when that thing recover, I could post all online, me all my see him. When I talk something. After Colonel Atajondo exposed Gillian H today and most of this black mice team of Milan Atem who are in the IG, with the call on Dr. Sako with immediate effect. We repeat, Dr. Sako. If IG is for Amazonians, Amazonians are for the IG. You listen to Amazonians. Colonel Atajon is the voice of Amazonians. Will you hear that one? Then they come for my inbox, text me. I'll be the highest first one in chat to people in the inbox. If you go for Mark Barata, you write, you know, go answer you for inbox. You go for Capo Daniel, go block you. Colonel Atajon, no, they do one name. Colonel Atajon, the chat, oh man, I'll be the voice of Amazonians then. The voice, the truth police, where they bagash all the truth. So, when I hear very well, with the call on President Sako, with immediate effect, we repeat this. Fire Gillian Eshu. We no one see Gillian Eshu on anything say 112 or with Gilly on SCBC. If SCBC is Amazonia station, Dr. Sako, we don't give you all the power like we leader. Fire Gillian Eshu. Move Gillian Eshu out of that with immediate effect. A blackmailer cannot be on the national station. Fire Gillian Eshu. Fire Terry Apopo. Jesata. We know what's them. We know what's there. I don't care what. I need to look any person in the face. Fire all them. After I don't sample, if Dr. Sako no fire the people them from now before Friday. If Dr. Sako no fire up, I go start post some classified information online. If Dr. Sako no fire the people them before Friday, I could post classified information online. I did talk the thing and then the drag with them. Gillian Eshu, Terry Apopo, Derek, Raymond, all the IG. Me then go. No tell me say SCBC, no be part of IG. SCBC now station, IG now government. So government get right to control SCBC. Dr. Sako with immediate effect. Kick out Raymond. Kick out Derek. Kick out Gillian Eshu. The reason why Ray Baba, the Amazonia ambassador of United States of America resigned, was that Milan Atem was the molly and he was the mind game trying to do things. We no blame Ray Baba. He get right to take that decision. He no go and rub himself with mud. Because if Ray Baba no be resign now, I for vagash name. But I no go vagash because he resign. So, President Sako, all things they remain for your hand. Dr. Santos, you the year Colonel Atta John, you be the press secretary for the presidency. Make sure President Sako hear the thing. Make sure President Sako hear him. Me President Sako hear the thing then. Me hear with who I don't talk him. Even Ray Baba, Derek, not Ray Baba, Derek for SCBC, Raymond, Gillian Eshu, I repeat, Teria Popo, Jacinta, Iko Ivan for US, for Maryland, all day for day when Milan bring them. Mangang, if any of them get anything for do with the IG, I'm sorry, oh IG, you could take your hand chop X-Basso because I could post some classified information where you know go good. Where you know go good. Where now they talk up, oh now they say the phone so, now they say the phone so the phone there so wait get them wait the phone get them. Wait the phone get them. If I move I for that way. Una go run for the revolution. Una go run for the revolution. Una go run for the revolution. When I call Ayaba scammer, una wake up, una need to believe. Me, other people, the way they never talk, say Ayaba no be scammer. Wait. Share as you listen. Me, Colonel Atta John, he look the story of Dr. Success and Ayaba about that iron in Nigeria. I don't like Muna work sabotage Dr. Success anyhow. Muna call Dr. Success, my friend. If Dr. Success do something wrong, I could talk him. Wait, me, I look the evidence and the video. The video, I'm going to show it to Amazonians. I've been promising Amazonians for a long time now that I'm going to show this video to Amazonians to counter agency for proof McBarita, Akonso Pauline. All they say they've been liars, them for the revolution about Dr. Success. Una need to believe me. Now, today is the day. Share as you listen, me other people in the act. Why Colonel Atta John, he look the message, they blackmail them about Dr. Success for sure for una siam. Share them, I could vanish all things today. I don't promise today to say, no matter I'm sick, no matter I'm seriously sick, Amazonians, today, all evidence now for table. No matter all are the sick, all evidence now today. Ma show una everything. Una the coach Dr. Success. Una the lie about Dr. Success in them. Una wait. Una go take una hide and chop Christmas stamp. Una go take una hide and then chop Christmas stamp. Me look am. Hey, all the thing all every day. They we go talk. Colonel Atta John. Your friend Dr. Success, Nazi man, he do this, do that. Wait, I challenge you now say, Dr. Success no do anything wrong for the revolution. I show him. Una know the story. Una know the story of Dr. Success and Ayaba, no? Una know the story of Dr. Success and Ayaba. Freedom Benji was part of it. Was part of the deal. Colonel Atta John Jeppe exposed the story today. I could expose all things today, Munasiam. Me the two people the way they never hate Colonel Atta John hate me more. No problem. Unakosiam. I have an over live with Dr. Success name. It is high time. Let me expose the truth. Let me expose the truth. First thing, and I go expose Mimia Statam. Una know if you have a plan gang in Nigeria, they go use knife for Dr. Success's skin. People the way they nobody don't see this, where they nobody don't see him. Me start show una. Una look am that Dr. Success that. Now Dr. Success that. Una look am. Me show una see. Please look the video. Now you face that. Una see him now. Una di see. I have a plan they gang me they go kill Dr. Success for Nigeria. Una di see him. Now in that where they took Dr. Success in hand with knife. Now picture than this. Me show picture. Una Thomas them. Now you under where they stitch him. People the way they not Thomas them. They never even know. They never even know where they pass the revolution. Una shine, una eyes them. Una go see them today. Una go understand. Say Colonel Atta John. They ever lie. Now you face that look the face. Look the video face where the show. Una see face. Ayaba plan gang me the key Dr. Success for Nigeria. Now Ayaba plan now. Me a go for the order about the iron. About the iron there. When I know it's how they call it iron no. I know I call them the other way because the Republic listen and Colonel Atta Johnny name for inside the Republic Ministry of Defense. You name number 34. Now Atta John, they don't even go move my passport for their immigration office. Who have get them, they don't move my old passport, but they get now copy for my old passport. So they get them, my information be wanted by La Republic. Just click the share button, you share them. Una be like, una 100 here, una be click, una click share, 100 people go join for 1 second. Muna see this matter concerning Dr. Success and Ayaba. Man, me I show una, I look naive for my other phone. For sure una, because una this una never talk so to una, no even know it's in the past. The truth and the hidden information inside. Una just come on live. Come talk to the una, no even know them. No the evidence say anything. When I tell una something say, when I talk something, una need to believe Colonel Atta John. Una the talk say Colonel Atta John na La Republic agent. Say you know the talk true for the revolution. It is lie. Me I show una. Muna siam. I will show una about the iron. The iron them concerning Dr. Success. Me I show una the iron them concerning. Una know what I mean say iron no. Una know what I mean say iron. Una know what I mean no say iron. Una know am no. Una know what I mean say iron them no. Una know no. Una know what I mean say iron. Even Capo Daniel way they make bap. He no go ever get the kind of sensitive information where Colonel Atta John get them. Where they make only more noise. So me no begin the joke. They talk trash. Talk ransack things them. She say Colonel Atta John no know what say they talk am. Capo Daniel they come live, come make bap. With fake information, fake lies them, fake scam strategies, everything them. Wait, I didn't even look that thing. I don't go come out for so another evidence. What I go talk about before I go for the video. Una see am how we my shoulder. Una look screen chat between Dr. Success and Akongso Raymond. How we Ayaba they spend money for AGC. Una look at where I talk to Ayaba that sick man. Una look up. Look, that is screen chat. WhatsApp chat between Dr. Success and Akongso Raymond. And Akongso Raymond concerning 200 Ayaba they give $200 money for agency for Raymond. Wait till you una never even know him. Una never ever know the kind of information. Now only Colonel Atta John if you get the kind of information. Click the share button, you share it. Una see how we are use the money, you know. It give Akongso Raymond, Akongso Raymond go arrange you woman. Me they come do bed by bed for Nigeria. During the third conclave. This was message since during the third conclave in Nigeria. Una don't see him now? I go now continue begin to look the video I watch una see him. I don't like all the una no joke up the head Dr. Success begin the sabotage. Every time una the sabotage Dr. Success, forget it to know the honest truth. Not take Dr. Success the other lifestyle, bring her into the revolution. Try to use Ayaba to camouflage the matter with them. Move all the other belly. And the look now the iron. The story of the iron. Where Ayaba talks to give money for Dr. Success. Dr. Success no buy the iron. Dr. Success bought the irons. He bought the irons. He bought the irons. Dr. Success bought the iron. Ayaba the fear to go take the iron them. He only know claim say the commander in charge. Dr. Success buy the irons them. They the fear. It was the iron indeed. And look, when I just come down, just click the share button. And look now video them. Because now message them. Since 2016 and 2017, you had to go through for the other phone. I want to show them una see why we had ever tell una say Amazonia police is not like La Republic police, where we say something, we have evidence. Where we say anything, we have evidence. Where we say anything, we have evidence. Now the thing what they talk Muna Siam. Because enough is enough of scammers. Ayaba the scammer, we must expose him. We cannot leave Ayaba to try to use all his scamming strategies to sabotage the revolution. We know it leave him. Ayaba lie about the brothers them. Wait, this is it. Dr. Source est né du CSF. Dr. Source est né du CSF. Any man way no freedom Benjamin look am. Any man way look freedom Benji. They spoke the representative of AGC in Nigeria. Me look am. That is him and Dr. Success about those ions. About the ions in Nigeria. Una never ever see the thing. I don't want to show una more of it. And just like una know the brief and the sample of the matter. Una the hear Benji no freedom Benji where they arrest up Calabar. Now in that.
Dr. Success, Commander-in-Chief of the Image of Self-Defense Force. I want to warn all the youths of the Image of local government area. There shall be no tournament in my local government, except I'm not from that local government. No youth is permitted to go to the field. Anyone that tempers to go to the field, they are finished. I said they are finished. We are ordering all the administrators of the Republic, all the mayors, all the civil servants, all the appointees that were appointed by the government of the Republic to leave our land before the ending of June. Otherwise, we will leave this planet before the end of June. Dr. Success is my name. Thank you.
Una not take una hide the chop Christmas with them. Me no man no inbox me tell me say ma share the video. I need to share the video. I need to share the video. I no go share no the video for any man. I need to share them. I no want me any man inbox me ask me for the video. No ask me the video. When I talk something, open your eyes and you listen. Open your eyes and you listen. Open your ears and you hear. Now the thing that what you talk am. When I talk something. When Colonel Atajon talk something, no begin to talk say Colonel Atajon na liar na scammer na do this, na do this. Eh? So, all those things when they talk to Dr. So say thief money chop am. He no thief no money chop am. Ayaba boy use na strategy for make Amazonians they give you more money. For una. Me Ian, Akoso Raymond, they go do bed by bed with them for Nigeria. Me they go do bed by bed with them for Nigeria. So now the matter this way Colonel Atajon get all these videos them. Forget about how the freedom Benji for Coven. Forget about the matter. Ayaba don't raise hair Benji. So I never expose the thing. We don't need to begin to spare any person. Ayaba don't ever apologize. Ayaba never ever apologize. I give a ne agency. When I get to understand say agency na scammers. Milan Ate be know the thing too. Milan Ate be know am. Because no we don't go see the eye on them. No we don't go see the eye on them. We get to ne the truth. So what I'm going to see I'm there very well. When Colonel Atajon they talk something, they put a no job copy, they make bab. Say Colonel Atajon they talk without any direction, without any rules of self-direction. At the talk with evidence. At the talk with evidence. When I come live, I ever the talk, and then they bring evidence. Amazonia said they coach me. Talk say Colonel Atajon native man. I don't bring evidence today, una start complain. Una start complain today. I get more. I get evidence where agency the fight. I get to 1 hour 7 minutes. Audio where agency the fight for Germany. They the fight for Germany. For share money where they collect them. They the fight Go and also get the audio. Go and also get them. So all those type of things, we wanna be very, very sensitive and smart, my brother, my sisters. So now the thing how they talk no believe Ayaba not thief man. That is why I'm here today to expose all of them. To expose all of them. I don't need to begin to look any my face. I don't really show una the one, no. I don't really show una. People they come late, wanna look the early minutes of this video. After I finish, wanna look the early minutes. Una go see as a Gillian issue na blackmailer. It type blackmail. Send up for Colonel Atajon poster about John Ba argue at night. He plan a year AGC for sabotage the IG at night. Gillian issue is a thief. She came in our revolution to hunt for power. Now power moga. She definitely make noise say she want arrest Colonel Atajon go for International Criminal Court. After I get all the blackmails the way she did type am, she feel win me for court. She thinks I don't get lawyer way why to work with the lawyer. I get professional lawyers them but don't say off. Where they now my advisors them. They tell me wait where he good for say, wait where he get up. When you do talk without evidence, people then make noise. Tell what I'll bring evidence now. It's a complaint to put Freedom Benji in danger. Forget about that matter. Colonel Atajon is here today to expose everything out. Everything out. Gillian Eshu is a thief. She's a thief, a blackmailer, a sabotager. Dr. Sako must kick Gillian out. We are not seeing all the people they never catch me say Colonel Atajon na fool. Colonel Atajon na fool. Who give you the rank for the colonel? When they ever question me, who give me the rank of a colonel? The investigation how to catch Ayaba. Only a professional colonel like Colonel Atajon can catch Ayaba. Can catch Ayaba like a blackmailer. Can catch all of them. Dr. Sako, sack Gillian now. Dr. Sako, sack Terry Apopo now. Dr. Sako, sack Mangan now. Dr. Sako, sack all those that are suspects, like the treasury head of the IG. Fire him now. May he bring accountability. Failure for him to table the accountability for finance, income and finance for my trip to Boya and other income. We go sue him for court. That is the matter. We go sue him for court and we know 1 million case if they for America. Because they no be enough for America. We go carry the case. Bring them for central of the world so that witness they go come up for Africa come. We go sue him for Belgium. So that people for US go come be witness. People for Europe they could go be witness. Africa could come meet together for Europe. Europe is the central. So that we could have them go sue if it joke with money. Fire all of them. As one talk this thing finish so a Gillian issue or Derrick or Raymond they appear again on SCBC. After Derrick and Raymond, they don't go ask 30% share for SCBC. Then Thunder could scatter them. Sack all of them. All those associated. Dr. Sako, you get our backing. You get Amazonia's backing. At least 7.5 million backing for Amazonia's name. Fire Gillian. Fire all of them. Fire all those that were brought in the IG by Milan Atem. The webmaster must be changed. Or small time they go hack people their credit card. They must do them. The time is now. Do this now before it's too late. Do this now before it's too late. Unity is needed. Point number one. Unity is needed. Point number two. Black legs must be put in 6 feet. Unity is needed. Black legs must be put in 6 feet. I start instead now with black legs must be put in 6 feet before I go for unity. Black legs must be put in 6 feet. All black legs must be put in 6 feet. All black legs must be put in 6 feet. Unity is needed. All black legs must be put in 6 feet. Unity is needed. Black legs must be put in 6 feet. Colonel Arthur John is speaking with evidence of this. Black legs like this. Black legs like this, we need to put up 6 feet. We no need to spare them. Any person keeping these guys, one, cut that man Ikanas. Cut him. Cut Ikanas and he tests them. 2, any man keeping that woman where he over there, cut a Bobby with collars. Cut and kill him. Put up 6 feet. Kill him, put up 6 feet. Now black legs them. Next black legs away, they should be one. Milan Atem, you are a black leg. We meet you would put you over 6 feet. Ayaba, we meet you would put you over 6 feet. Gillian Eshu, we meet you for any player would put you over 6 feet. Terry Apopo, Jacenta, we meet up all who have any place would put you over 6 feet. Any man way he thinks say be my friend no. The revolution, we don't need friendship for the. I don't need friendship for the. I don't need you be my friend or anything. I beat for the revolution, my full so Amazonia police. They beat for the with their full so we donate any money. Any wrongdoing, we expose them. Black legs, we vanquish them. Yvonne Joker, put Yvonne Joker in 6 feet. Put her. Padia Sanga, put her for 6 feet. Atanga Jipo, 6 feet. Ben Aki, 6 feet. Ekema Patrick, 6 feet. Put all these people them for 6 feet. Put all them for 6 feet using any strategies. Feed put hold them iron them plywood. Put up for Ekema Patrick gate. You want come off outside. Umoto itaya boss day. When itaya boss day, you want come off outside. You use stick, broken neck with them. Chill up. Problem no day. Put up 6 feet. Put all black legs there for 6 feet.
Yes. You want the son of the white card of the white card of the where they fight for their freedom. They betray us, they say down.
So now wait till we Colonel Arthur John the talk about the matter they look at from my profile. We no be later the talk use them for any man. Any man is sent for me when see him. So now the matter that we Colonel Arthur John the talk. So we never put black legs them for 6 feet. Mayors, DOs, police, civil servant, government teachers, all people disrespecting the ghost town. We put her for 6 feet. Put her for 6 feet. We are at war. We are at war. If the Bible war be there. When I remember the story of David and Goliath. All that thing they are war that for Bible. So we no get to begin to spare anything. If you don't kill the devil for corner you know to kill our republic. Milan Atem, Ayaba, head leaders of liars, devils, fornicators, scammers. We put all them for 6 feet. We need to put all them for 6 feet. Ayaba and Milan Atem, they are twins. They work hand to hand. They be for the revolution, for thief, destroy, do bed by bed, woman by woman, hotel by hotel. That is what they are specialized in doing. Example 1 about the bed by bed matter. Ayaba try to do bed by bed for Ko and Knockam. Milan Atem, he do a bed by bed successful with other married women inside IG. Do am with Gillian Eshu. All them, he don't do am. Problem no dey. Colonel Atajon don't talk am. I don't talk am, I no dey hide anything. And then the make another Babwe Capo Daniel, they come preach without evidence. Una the take una eye them today, so chop Xmas with them now. Colonel Atajon don't ever talk of the revolution. And on the fire evidence today, Muna the just one. I get more of the evidence, but I don't want to show them for today. Because when the time is due, I go post them all online. Muna siam. When I call Gillian H, you say Black Myra. Una go come talk say Gillian H, una good woman, now do this. Now Colonel Atajon be fool. Can you still call Colonel Atajon a fool and Gillian H a good person? Can you? Who is a fool? Who is the fool? You listening? Just put on a comment. Who is the fool? Who is the sabotager? Who is the Black Maya? Colonel Atajon or Gillian H? Who? Who is the fool? Who is the fool? Colonel Atajon or Gillian H? Can you please answer me? Who is the fool? When I talk something, Gillian H, if you show me how I sabotage somebody, why I no get evidence? No. When I talk something, I get evidence. So my brother, my sisters, them, and they call on all Amazonians, them. Do not believe Milan Atem. Do not believe Ayaba. They are scammers. They came in our revolution to steal and destroy. That is what I'm saying and crying on it. I've been saying this since the start of this revolution. People, they keep calling me, say, Colonel Atajon La Republic agent. All things will be the talk. You don't boss today, una don't see him. I don't disprove how I have to work for La Republic. Una don't see him. Una don't see him. I don't disprove and say Gillian H na Black Myra. Una don't see him. I don't disprove and say Milan Atem na scammer. Una don't see him. No today. Una don't take I chop Christmas with them, no. Una don't take una I they chop Christmas with them today, no. And then they talk babab. I disprove Ayaba lies them. How we Ayaba they use money for inside agency. The bribe Akonso Raymond Utam. The Akonso Raymond arrange you woman for hotel. For Nigeria during third conclave, during meeting for Nigeria and he visit for Nigeria. So that is so sad. So sad. So sad. I don't table Amuna Siam. And none of them no be challenge me for court. They no be challenge me for court if I get the kind of powerful evidence. Powerful evidence where no man no fit take them away from me. No man no fit ever take the evidence from me. It there for inside the file. This file you see like this. This file, it has all these informations. I don't reprint them. I don't print all the things that I keep them. I find out there. When anyone open lawsuit against Colonel Atajon, I could use them against the person. I don't disprove every point today. I don't expose Ayaba. I expose Milan. I expose Gillian Issue. Noroa. Manga. All of these scammers. I don't expose them today. I don't expose them. And you wait. Gillian Issue for sue me for court challenge me say she no be blackmailer. She no be sabotager. She no the do bed by bed who married Milan Atem. When you talk am, I go tell you the hotel where they sleep per day. For some country, I go talk am. I go talk am today. I get evidence. I get picture. I get picture self. When I talk am, una the say Colonel Atajon the jong nacho. Una talk say Colonel Atajon. Una the surprise today, and also una the surprise today. Una be very very shocked today. Here wait to Colonel Atajon the talk am. Me, I need ever beg followers. Una know say I'm the only person way I need beg me followers. If you believe me, you follow me. You don't believe me, block me. This is what I always say. I need to beg me now followers them. I need to beg me followers them. Una know after when President Sako explained about Milan Atem trying to steal some real members of the IG for go form a group with them. Now Milan Atem, you wait that way the one do up. Una know how many people they don't text Colonel Atajon for inbox. For inbox, tell Colonel Atajon say, oh wait they do am. We are sorry. For what you do. People they never apologize. You owe Colonel Atajon and the Amazonia police an apology. You owe us an apology. you owe us an apology because we not ever coach Colonel Atajon, coach Amazonia police them. Say, we be black leg, we be this, we be that, we be this, we be that. I don't challenge you now today. We don't see them now. And we more evidence than today. I never even show them. I never even show anything. I no want to show the evidence from fire as the reason why I no want to show them. So, the matter that way every day. The matter that way every day. So, now, Colonel Atajon, they will talk about the way forward. The way forward in our revolution. And the way forward in our revolution. And what the IG and Amazonians must do. Wait till we give do one first, be say. First thing, the way forward. We need to put God as number one way forward. Number two, way forward. We need to be prayerful. Or we'll pray for the revolution. In times where the pray for chop, just pray for the revolution. May God see we through. Number three, you need to be, IG need to understand, say, Amazonians are for the IG and IG is for Amazonians. If Amazonians then they stand against IG, IG go fall. No country for the war never ever bring war among the people them, they win. The people they go win. So IG, we call on you IG to stand up. Stand up by creating room for unity. The room for unity and the channel for unity must start by one. Before I want to go for that one, for point number one, I want to make a clear why way at the core IG, me IG create channel for unity. I don't talk with some activists them, frontline leaders like Dr. Ebenezer, people them, John Ba Aguro. I don't talk with them. Churchill Ambe, I dig into the underbelly for the matter. I know say they no one be under the IG because of one, Milan Atem. Two, Mangan, Noloa, the bad evil inside the IG. You know be say Dr. Ebenezer hate President Ayuk Sisiko. Dr. Ebenezer no be hate President Ayuk Sisiko. The matter be say Dr. Ebenezer was little confused that Milan Atem the control President Ayuk Sisiko. That was the reason why Dr. Ebenezer be blast President Ayuk Sisiko. Currently, who president now Dr. Sako EWS, Dr. Ebenezer DWS. You get all the instruments to have a face-to-face, eye-to-eye meeting with Dr. Ebenezer. When you talk with Dr. Ebenezer, you will create unity. Even that unity, the unity where you go create them, if the unity, it no go be that unity where it could be so way, it be at least unity for the defense group. And if it be unity for the defense group, me they unite. Me Dr. Ebenezer, Ian Foncha, they continue the good work where they do them for the ASC. For the ASC. Moon up keep listen black my stories, the fake information coming from Cecilia Ama-Abobi. That prostitute where they say the spokesperson for AGC. No, they listen any fake information from her. So when they create all this channel, if Dr. Ebenezer here and Foncha, they walk hand to hand. I don't listen, stay quiet. For some time, Dr. Ebenezer, he people and they tell me say something will happen in this area at this moment, at this time. I witness them. That issue will happen for them. I witness them, it happened. Dr. Ebenezer people and they announced they gave a born timber truck for South Zone for some position. The matter, it happened. It happened. Dr. Ebenezer don't prove say his new stand and strategies he habit with the Amazonians, their strategies. So Dr. Ebenezer can at least work with the ASC. But I don't want to catch Ayaba inside ASC. I don't want to catch La Republic agent Ayaba Milan inside. I don't want to catch them. Ayaba Milan na scammers. They work for La Republic. I don't show no evidence Ayaba. Ayaba the announce for group say Milan Republic police they catch Amazonia drops them for ground zero. Tell me how we Ayaba no be La Republic. Tell me. Come tell me. I don't tell you all this evidence what bring her out today. Una don't take una eye there, una see chop Christmas time today. So my brother and my sisters them. Ayaba, we cannot unite with Ayaba. Unless Ayaba come out and the agency apologize to Amazonians and accept, say they go to check them double standard checking before we ever unite with agency. That is it. So Dr. Sako bring Dr. Ebenezer. Unatori. If una the fear say somebody go proud saying that this is that, do this, do that. For saying that some person he talk say me then do this, do that, do this, do that. Say the example Dr. Sako think say Dr. Ebenezer want me Becky. Dr. Ebenezer think say Dr. Sako want me Becky. No, this is from Amazonians. You both are for Amazonians. We want both of you people to sit and talk together and sort out things. Let Dr. Ebenezer work with South Frontier. They are both in US. Let us abolish La Republic. We put all of them in 6 feet as fast as possible and claim back our land. If Dr. Ebenezer and and South Frontier they work hand to hand, I believe you, my brother, my sisters, them. Sonera they go down nana. Sonera could go down nana and at nang my chest that one. So, Dr. Sako, take this like your responsibility. Take this like your responsibility. Dr. Sako. Fire all people them who are part of Milan. Especially Gillian Eshu. Teria Popo. Derek. Raymond. Fire all of them. When you fire all the people them, you distance themselves away. Dr. Ebenezer could come into the IG. You could also be Oga. Dr. Ebenezer will say anything. Dr. Ebenezer get the reason. He no one come into the IG because of Milan. Milan native man. Na scammer. You talk say me Dr. Ebenezer. Somebody they ask question say me Dr. Ebenezer talk with say you know about Naira Hotel. Dr. Ebenezer, you know if you blame Dr. Ebenezer or even put his suspect. Dr. Ebenezer make and clearly say, clean and clearly say, he cannot be part of the IG because there is a molly inside the IG. And this molly was Milan Ate. This molly was Milan Ate. This molly was really Milan Ate. No matter I use mind game, I use mind game study some situations sometimes in Funa. Sometimes they have to just decide to attack Dr. Sako. Just to study your situation, study your heart. But I know it's what you do. I know how the player. With the player now in a sensitive way. With the play smart, get the real information authentic. So now the matter that do not blame Dr. Ebenezer. Those that saw our leaders, Milan Atem and Ayaba, vie through Padi Asanga, vie through Freedom Benji. That is the truth. My brother and my sisters, them. My brother and my sisters, them. My brother and my sisters, them. If you the chop Mami Coco in a discussion, Me, you come again live. Post ransacking trash again on live. And they give this like an embargo. Like an embargo. Embargo. For all Amazonians, the way they ever crush Amazonia police. So be the Republic. Come again and you say it again. You go chop Mami Coco in the scratch. After this, today away, I don't move all evidence them. All black my evidence. How Ayaba na part of la Republic. I don't move all today for now. How Ayaba na scammer. How Ayaba the lie. How Ayaba the do bad thing for revolution. I don't move all the evidence today. Una download the video. Una listen them. Monitor everything what show una today. Una can understand why the Amazonia police is very strict. Because we know all this information. Yeah, una they talk some questions say Dr. Ebenezer promise will lead us. They say they go get matter. It is normal. It is normal for that to it happen. You fit promise something you know happen. Example, my quote example. Gillian issue, the time when Gillian issue, he write that her black mind. In the coach colonial after John Tam, he promised me say I go die the next day. I will die the next day. How many days that don't pass? I be alive. How many days don't pass? I be alive. So no job Guinea here that way Dr. Ebenezer be talking and they Guinea support him. We job Guinea support him. No, that is not true. Dr. Ebenezer no get anything to do. Dr. Ebenezer the do action there. I have to go thief the action them. So now it's now what they talk am. My brother, my sister. My brother, my sister's him. So one of the way forward is we create unity. Now we kick all the bad belly people in. Dr. Sako must do this. It is a responsibility. For it is his responsibility. A must. A must. I repeat. Nomina optional matter. He must kick Gillian issue. And all those people in the communications department, they are professionals with experience who can handle the communications department properly. More than them. Derek must go. Gillian must go. Gilly must go. Terry Apopo must go. All of them must go. If they don't do them, Dr. Sako expect a response from Colonel Atajon. We know they ever drag na drag. Expect a response. I respect Dr. Sako very, very well. But if Dr. Sako make mistake for fire the people, they will call him for fire with immediate effect. I don't want to see Gilly on SCBC again. I don't want to see her. I don't want to see her on SCBC again. Gilly, if Gillian appear on SCBC today and next Sunday again, my brother, my sister, una go here wait till I could talk about IG. I could move so exposition where it could be terrestrious. I could move something una could fear and fear. I will move on. Because una say, if we not do all this in them, we waste no time. We know the one Ayaba say for IG. We know one Ayaba and one Amazonians. We have to isolate Ayaba. When we isolate Ayaba, we isolate Milan Atem, the AGC. We isolate AGC. We isolate the SCCOP. When we isolate the two people, the rest Amazonians, they unite. Or then they go shame. They go shame, stop in the fine way to come inside. That is the matter. So, one of the way forward, we have to be commanders of our own. You never be a commander. Wait, before I go for the matter of commander, maybe I explain something. When the revolution started, Colonel Atajon was never part of the Amazonia police. I was a colonel since in the day of Bia Must Go, Mark Barata, Pascal Kiki, Ayaba, all we be there for one group. in those the times of Biya Must Go campaign. So, all we be there one group una call me colonel for day. Una call me for day. Una call me a colonel because of my harsh stand. That is what you people did. So I be a colonel since then. Tell where the revolution start now. Amazonians them. They will come now. They will come start begin the talk say why you be say how can a colonel be part of the Amazonia police? Say police the general commander in the general na colonel. You are right. You are right. With the general commissioner, we need to get colonel for inside police. The reason why the title colonel remains is because I was never a police. But the Amazonia police, he say, the skills and experience where I get from Legion military in France. Legion military in France. The skills and experience where I get every day, I could make good use of the skills and experience for the Amazonia police. That is why the title Colonel Arthur Jones remains. So no because begin the things say Colonel Arthur Jones no know a right and wrong. So that is the matter. The next thing I will talk be say my trip to Buea. Now good strategies. Let's raise the money. But IG, we know I hear songs of praise. We know I hear Agatha Moses say the money will raise them. You dey do na diplomacy with them. The money will raise them for my trip to Buea. We need action plus action times action equals to actions. That is what we want. Me all the money will raise them. Me majority they go for the Amazonia ASC, Amazonia Self-Defense Council. Me they will do the fight. You can still be a commander on your own and you command any group. No give your hard-earned income for prostitute Cecilia B. Amabo. I want to tell you something about AGC. Do you people know that Cecilia B. Amabo joined AGC like a spoke-lady because he want me Ireland authority. He give me paper. Cecilia B. Amabo na refugee. Where he has applied asylum. They don't knock him. They don't knock him. Now they knock him appeal. So now you go take post for spokesperson. As we take post for spokesperson, for push me the approve application for asylum. This is what Cecilia B. Amabo did one. He come go rub Mary Kay powder for your face. Come strong light to come talk trash una. Muna begin to believe him. Do not believe any trash from the prostitute Cecilia B. Amabo. He use the revolution. Now in order to get paper, Colonel Arthur John no get na paper from refugee. So I can say that to you people. So that is it. Do not believe Cecilia B. Amabo. She is a thief. I have don't do bed by bed with her before he post the spokesperson. Same as Pascal Kikio also. Next thing, we are going to talk. I'll drink water.
Rocking my back for you. Rocking my back for you. Yeah, I go, oh yeah, I go. It's time to show me your love. Open the door. I need you begging for more. Oh my baby, carry me like a baby. I don't know what you did to me, but I never leave you.
Some of una they call me say me I want southern zone and northern zone division. That is not true. That is not true. Me and Lady support one side. Check very, very well. Check every information very well, properly, severely, and sensationally about Colonel Atta John. You will discover, say, Colonel Atta John, Imami, come out for Southern Zone. Papa come out for Northern Zone. So that is it. No, we come begin to blindfold yourself. Begin to think, say, Colonel Atta John. Say, Colonel Atta John. The tribe will bring division. Some say, sure, say, na water drink. Now wait till this. Na tongo, no? Na tongo, that water drink, no? So, na the thing that we eat every day. So, matter I come out of Southern Zone or Northern Zone. No, I'm from both. I'm Amazonia. No division. No room for division. No room for division. Stop all these ransacking things about division. No begin to talk say Ayaba and Northern Zone. Ayaba, if truly you are for this revolution, Ayaba, why is it that Mezam is quiet? Ayaba, the fear matter una why we Mezam be quiet. Ayaba, the fear be live with Mezam because I don't threaten ages to say, I know all corner for Mezam. I know I will take consort from Bali, go reach a womb. Consort from womb, go reach a bamboo. Consort from bamboo, go reach a bounce, only inside bush, no pass inside road. So now the matter this way, the key Ayaba, no fit talk true. So now the thing, what they talk am? What they talk am? Sunday hot, you dey talk say Sunday hot. Sunday hot, me and the sick. I come out hospital yesterday, but I try to get the energy for talk because Milan and Ayaba, they are not too much for the revolution. These people, they will need from us kick them out of our revolution. We need to kick them out of our revolution. The fight is now, my brother, my sisters. Let us command everything and we fight. Do not believe anything from AGC. When I say like the spoke lady for ARCC. When I know say Jennifer human right no get paper for US. When I know say she no get paper for US. When I know so, if she get paper for US, me she can't show you paper. For US, law for US, you born you person, you know you right to get paper. That is the matter. You know be like Europe. You know be like Europe, like Germany, Belgium, Holland, Poland, Estonia, Latvia, where if you born Peking, you go get right to get paper. It no be that so, no be so way be. So Jennifer, you man right. You there your long sense when you use them now. You need to stop them. We need the pam of the revolution. Jennifer, you man right. Sit up and you stop your madness. Jennifer, you man right. I have spoken. Jennifer, you man right. Who are you there? You know the talk again. You say you be chair lady. I have to do bed by bed for you. You post the chair lady. You confuse. Then ground beef. Shine your eyes, Jennifer, you man right. And you grow up. Now wait till how they talk am. Jennifer, you man right. All the people that they talk say we don't need all this. Because you want to begin to deal with people and bad people. You have to expose them. Let Amazonians know them. When Amazonians know them, then they will know how they deal with them. All the things they will want are one unity. More isolate Milan Atem and Ayaba. Now scammers. Now scammers. Others can unite. Let's fight and get to Boya as fast as possible. Use all strategies. My brother, my sisters, them. I will drop now. Because honestly, for that, I the sick. I didn't go hospital. But I still manage to talk for now. Because we know we leave this Molly Milan and his gang try to sabotage Amazonia's name. Try to attack Amazonia's name. Try to derail our revolution. God is with us. God is with us. God is with us. Do not believe Ayaba, do not believe Milan Atem. Amazonia police is calling on Dr. Sako to fire all those in the communications department. They are professionals in the that can handle the communications department properly. I mean those that are working with Milan Atem. There are other people that can work with Chris Anus in the communications department and with Sister Comfort and will push the revolution ahead. That is the matter. Ayaba is a thief. Milan Atem is a thief. They came in our revolution to steal, destroy, and do bed by bed with our girls. We now understand why we Milan Atem want information for refugees them for Nigeria so that they can register their name them for SCCOP. Now you reason that. My brother, my sister, una stay blessed. Me God bless una. I really need to sleep. While they talk so my eye then they really turn. Because I go hospital a day before yesterday. Una no believe anything from Cecilia B. Amabo. Because she is slut. A motherfucker. Idiot. Scammer. He wash money. Time where he for my phone, he wash that money. How many times shall I not cash you for my phone, Cecilia B. Amabo? They don't cash you for my phone many times the way you wash money, no? So Cecilia B. Amabo, watch out. The revolution is real. The time is now. Stand up, my beloved brothers and sisters. The revolution is now. Now is the time. Tomorrow is too late. Let's fight for our freedom. The time is now. Do not believe Ayaba. Do not believe Milan Atem. Do not give your hard-earned income to Milan Atem. Do not give your hard-earned income to Ayaba. Do not support Gilly Gilly. I've disproved her today as a blackmailer. So if she want to do anything, if she want to make any mop, me she come with them up. When she come with them up, I go move part 2 for her black mice. I go move her part 2 for her black mice. Muna siam. Una stay blessed. I love you all, Amazonians. May the Lord bless you all. Push any strategies that will take us to Boya. Use any strategies or tools that will take us to Boya. The time is now. The time is now. President Sako, I repeat and I repeat before I drop down. Fire Gillian Eshu. Fire Teria Popo. Fire Lenjo Kisley. Fire Derrick. Fire all the bad people them within the day. Watch out. The revolution is real. Dr. Ebenezer and IG, please do something. Unite. Let's finish La Republic as fast as possible. I love you all, Amazonians. I love you so much.